you doing what I'm doing? I'm doing work. Why are you not talking? Because I'm trying to. Because you don't
Why?
need to. It's not a mood for a nice talk, I guess. Because I'm with you. You always talk chapata, chapata, chapata. देखो गाड़ी मूव कर दिए जैसे हम जाए listen Anaya wow the grass how देखो grass मूव लग गया Hi guys today we are going to tell you about nature. So first we're going to teach you about trees maybe, and then maybe animals, then maybe outdoors. We'll just show you. And how about let's talk about trees. And what's your favorite animal? Dog? Yes. Okay, a dog is a nice favorite. My favorite is a bunny. So, you know, there's a lot of bunnies, so, well, we have a lot of trees right there, so that's where animals live, and we saw some bunnies that they're so cute, that's why I started loving bunnies. And I got 2 balls. Yes. And now let's talk about nature and trees. So, this is a tree. Very big. It looks like it's so many years old and it's so big, right? You think it's big? You see? Okay, and look at that old rusty thing here. That's the cover that protects the tree. Today I'm going to tell you about nature all around us. And today I'm going to tell you about animals in nature, and trees are also a part of nature, so I'm also going to tell them to you about, and a nice coffee. Okay, so let's start. First, so we are going to talk about trees. So trees can give us a lot of special things. Really big. We can get oxygen, and also Also, we can get wood from trees. So, wood can make many things. So, wood can make, you see our railing right there? That's made of wood. This block, that's made of wood. And it doesn't look like wood because they make it. So you can see from here up top, it looks like now that is made of some wood you can see from trees. And also you can make houses from trees sometimes. And you have dinner tables, like tables. So tables and chairs are also made out of wood. Some tables and chairs are made out of wood, and yeah, and also houses are made out of wood, some of them, and some people around here chop the wood that they can make new things and try out new things. So as you can see in our society, there is this chopped down tree, and because people chopped it down because they need to build stuff. So as I was saying, they collect stuff to make things, maybe because of that railing. And there's much more stuff they can build with wood. So now I'm going to tell you about animals in nature. So now let's talk about animals. So now we're going to talk about animals. So animals are also nice friends to people. They also, when there are not vehicles, we only had animals that can help us travel, like horses. We go horseback riding, and some elephants we can see. And also, there are many animals that can be your pet. So like dogs, cats, bunnies, and birds. So they're also animals and they can live in your house. That's really cool. Here now, talk to Anna. She's never talking to you today. She's a quiet snake. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you, when I go for morning walks, sometimes we go for big rounds. And there's lots of trees, so animals think that's a great place to live, and it is. So it's like a really big place, and there's a lot of trees, so animals live there. Sometimes I see bunnies from there that come out. And also, when I go for morning walks, I see dogs. What else do I see? Dogs, and I see cats. And I see many more animals. It's raining. It's raining. Do you see the dogs?